What's up, everybody? It's Tony Lopez with Alternative Living Spaces, and right now I am in Pahrump, Nevada at an amazing property with 3 container homes. And right behind me, I'm going to just give you a tour of this one today. It's a 20-foot shipping container that is currently being used as an Airbnb rental. And with this one, I'm a huge fan of the interior. We worked with an amazing interior designer out of Vegas who worked on this unit, and so you'll notice that the finishes, the details are really incredible. So let's check it out. So some of the things that I really love about this unit right off the bat is I'm a huge fan of the black trim around all the doors and all of the windows. The way it pops off the white shiplap, it just turned out really nice. Another thing with this unit is we did a lot of gold finishes in terms of some of the hardware, some of the pieces that are on the interior here for the unit. We wanted it to have a modern feel. This unit was originally an office that we purchased out of Salt Lake City. We ended up remodeling the entire thing. The original look of this was very rustic, and we just wanted to change that feel. So we went that modern 5-light entry door, really cool frosted glass bathroom door, and then just incorporated some different elements like the waterfall countertop in the kitchen, the velvet headboard, kind of cushions on the backside. And then one of my favorite pieces within this unit is actually the kitchen. So we actually purchased an old dresser off of Craigslist, basically sanded it down, refinished it, and turned it into what is now this amazing kitchen space. And so you can see down here at the bottom is actually a little spot for the microwave. These used to be drawers. And so we also extended it with the waterfall countertop to fit a little fridge. The vessel sink is really fun. The green to tie in with the green, basically headboard of the bed. So really just a unique space. And we, in another video, did an interview with the landlord that is managing this unit. And she said that this unit has actually been renting out about 81 to 95% occupancy per month. So just goes to show you container homes really can be a great option for Airbnb rentals. This space also is a 20-foot unit, so it's 160 square feet. You know, you can turn something like this into a space for full-time living. You know, we have models on our website of 20-foot units that are designed for full-time living. And then we also have basically a course that can teach you how to build your very own container home. Just how we bought a used office for a really good price out of Salt Lake City, shipped it to Vegas, remodeled it, and turned it into this. You can do the same thing. And so we do have a free training. The link to that is in the description below. You can check that out. It's going to give you some of the key tools that you need to succeed as you do your own DIY build. But with that, I hope you enjoyed this tour of this unit. It really is one of the funkiest, coolest units we've ever done. And if you do want to check it out, it is on Airbnb. I'll have the link for that in the description below as well. And we'll see you in the next video.